Are you ready to uncover the incredible health secrets hidden in your kitchen? Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful natural remedies, turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. This ancient drink isn't just for soothing your soul, it's packed with science-backed benefits that can transform your health, from balancing blood sugar levels to boosting immunity. The information in this video is firmly grounded in scientific research, not myths or random information. If you're curious to learn more or want to see the evidence for yourself, check out the video description where we've listed all the research sources for you. Turmeric milk is called golden milk due to its rich, vibrant yellow color, which comes from turmeric's main component, which is curcumin. When turmeric is mixed with milk, it creates a bright golden hue. In addition to the color, the term golden also reflects the drink's reputation for having numerous health benefits, making it metaphorically valuable like gold. Turmeric has been an essential part of Indian culture for over 4,000 years, used as both a spice and medicinal herb. In Indian cuisine, it's a key ingredient, particularly in curries, while in Ayurvedic medicine, it's valued for balancing the body's doshas and treating ailments like inflammation and digestive issues. Turmeric spread across the world through trade, reaching regions like China, Africa, and Europe. Modern research highlights its active compound, curcumin, for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Let's now explore the incredible ways that turmeric milk can support your overall well-being and help you lead a healthier, happier life. Number 1. Balances blood sugar levels. One of the powerful benefits of drinking turmeric milk is its ability to help balance blood sugar levels, especially for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. Curcumin in turmeric has been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity that allows your body to use glucose more effectively and reduce insulin resistance. This allows to maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevents dangerous spikes or crashes that can lead to long-term complications. In addition, turmeric milk can support the body's natural ability to regulate metabolism and prevent oxidative stress, which is often linked with high blood sugar levels. Consuming turmeric milk can also reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in metabolic disorders and insulin resistance. Its anti-inflammatory properties further protect pancreatic cells, which produce insulin, ensuring the body maintains a healthy blood sugar balance. Plus, the addition of healthy fat, such as coconut oil or ghee, can help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which results in a more gradual rise in blood sugar after meals. Number 2. Heart health. Drinking turmeric milk can significantly contribute to heart health due to its potent properties of curcumin. Studies suggest that curcumin can significantly reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, which is an important factor in heart disease. In a study, individuals who were recommended for heart surgery were given either 4 grams of curcumin or a placebo a few days before and after their surgery. The results showed that the chances of a heart attack during the hospital stay were reduced to 65% for the individuals who received curcumin as compared to those in the placebo group. By lowering inflammation, turmeric milk can help reduce the buildup of plaque in the arteries, further lowering the risk of atherosclerosis. Furthermore, curcumin is known to lower LDL levels while increasing HDL, supporting overall cardiovascular health. Turmeric's antioxidant properties also play a vital role in protecting the heart by neutralizing free radicals that can cause oxidative stress and damage to heart tissues. It also helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of cancer by improving endothelial function. Lastly, turmeric milk contains anticoagulant properties that promote better blood circulation, preventing blood clots that can lead to serious heart conditions. If you're enjoying this content so far and want to stay up to date with more health tips and benefits, hit that subscribe button and join the Health Vitals family. Number 3. Reduces risk of cancer. Imagine if a simple, everyday drink could help protect your body from one of the most feared diseases, like cancer. Studies suggest that curcumin in turmeric can kill isolated cancer cells and prevent the spread of tumors. It works by interfering with the cancer cell cycle, inducing apoptosis, and controlling the growth of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow, a process called angiogenesis. Curcumin is also known to lower oxidative stress and inflammation, which play a vital role in the development of cancer. Its antioxidant properties protect cells from DNA damage caused by free radicals, which can trigger cancerous mutations. Adding to this, curcumin can enhance the body's detoxification processes, helping to eliminate carcinogens and other harmful compounds from the body. Though turmeric milk alone is not a cure, adding it to your daily routine can certainly help prevent cancer. Number 4. Reduce inflammation and joint pain. Struggling with joint pain or inflammation? Turmeric can help. It is an incredible natural remedy for relieving inflammation and joint pain, making it especially beneficial for those suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Curcumin in turmeric is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which work by inhibiting key enzymes and pathways responsible for inflammation in the body. This helps to alleviate swelling, stiffness, and discomfort in the joints, offering relief to those who experience chronic joint pain. Studies suggest that taking 500 milligrams of curcumin reduced joint pain by more than 50 grams of a commonly used arthritis drug. In addition to this, it also has antioxidant effects that neutralize free radicals, which can cause further joint damage over time. Turmeric milk also improves circulation, which can reduce the buildup of inflammatory markers in affected areas and promote faster healing. The presence of black pepper in turmeric milk, containing piperine, enhances curcumin absorption, ensuring that your body receives the full anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 5. Improves memory. Want a sharper memory and better focus? Turmeric would be an ideal choice for improving memory and overall brain health. Curcumin in turmeric aids in boosting levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that is crucial for the growth and survival of neurons, which enhances learning, memory, and cognitive function. Low levels of BDNF are linked to memory disorders like Alzheimer's disease, and curcumin's ability to increase BDNF can help delay or even reverse the cognitive decline associated with aging. Additionally, curcumin's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties protect the brain from oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, both of which are known to impair memory and cognitive abilities over time. It also helps clear amyloid plaques, which are commonly associated with neurodegenerative diseases. The black pepper in turmeric milk, containing piperine, further enhances the bioavailability of curcumin, ensuring that the body fully absorbs its memory-boosting effects. Number 6. Improves mood. Feeling down? Sip your way to happiness with turmeric milk's mood-boosting power. Turmeric milk is a natural way to enhance mood and emotional well-being. 60 people with significant depressive disorders participated in a 6-week trial in which they were given curcumin, an antidepressant, or both. The combo group benefited the most, whereas those who received curcumin alone saw improvements comparable to those who received antidepressants. Curcumin in turmeric helps to increase levels of serotonin and dopamine, two key neurotransmitters that regulate mood, happiness, and motivation. By boosting these feel-good chemicals, turmeric milk can help reduce depression, anxiety, and stress. Adding to this, curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties have a huge role in mental health, as chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are linked with mood disorders and cognitive decline. Regular consumption of turmeric milk helps combat these issues, promoting a balanced mood and a more resilient mental state. Turmeric's ability to regulate the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis also helps in managing stress responses, providing a sense of calm and relaxation. Number 7. Aids in digestion. Soothe your stomach and boost digestion naturally with the power of turmeric milk. One study suggests that turmeric can help stimulate bile production by up to 62%, which is crucial for breaking down fats and helping in smoother digestion. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that soothe the digestive tract, reducing symptoms like bloating, gas, and indigestion. By calming inflammation in the gut lining, turmeric milk can help prevent and relieve digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel disease. Furthermore, turmeric's antimicrobial properties support a healthy balance of gut flora by preventing the growth of harmful bacteria, promoting better gut health. Regularly drinking turmeric milk can also help reduce acid reflux and facilitate the healing of the stomach lining, providing relief from conditions like gastritis or ulcers. Number 8. Improves bone health. Protect your bones and reduce inflammation with the magic of turmeric milk. Curcumin in turmeric plays a significant role in reducing inflammation in the body, resulting in stronger, healthier bones over time. Chronic inflammation is known to accelerate bone loss, and curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects help counteract this, promoting a healthier bone density. Additionally, turmeric is loaded with antioxidants, which fight oxidative stress that can weaken bones. When paired with milk, this golden drink becomes even more beneficial. Calcium helps maintain bone strength. Vitamin D improves calcium absorption, and phosphorus works alongside calcium to fortify bone structure. Regular consumption of warm turmeric milk can reduce the risk of osteoporosis, alleviate joint pain, and improve overall bone mineral density, making it an ideal natural remedy for those looking to maintain a robust skeletal system. Number 9. Boosts immunity. Drinking turmeric milk is a powerful way to boost immunity, combining the immune-enhancing properties of turmeric with the nourishing benefits of milk. Having potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects, curcumin plays an essential role in boosting the immune system. It helps the body combat infections by enhancing the activity of immune cells like T cells, B cells, and natural killer cells, which are crucial for defending the body against viruses and bacteria. In addition, turmeric's antioxidant properties neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall immune health. When consumed with warm milk, the body better absorbs curcumin due to milk's fats, making the drink more effective. Turmeric milk serves as a soothing, natural remedy that not only combats common colds and flu, but also helps in maintaining a well-balanced and resilient immune system, making it a go-to health beverage for all ages. Let's now discuss how you can prepare turmeric milk at your home. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper for enhancing curcumin absorption, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup for sweetness, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder or grated fresh ginger for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Step number 1. In a small saucepan, heat the milk on low to medium heat. Step number 2. Add the turmeric, black pepper, and ginger. Step number 3. Stir the mixture continuously for 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring it doesn't boil. Step number 4. Once it's heated through, remove from heat and strain if you've used fresh turmeric or ginger. Step number 5. Add honey or maple syrup if desired for sweetness. Step number 6. Pour into a cup and enjoy your warm, nourishing turmeric milk. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you found this deep dive into the benefits of turmeric milk helpful. Remember, small changes like adding this golden drink to your routine can make a big difference in your health. If you want to keep exploring more natural and science-backed health tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our Health Vitals community. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in health and wellness. See you in the next video, and until then, stay healthy and stay vibrant.